Welcome back, YouTube. D&P Sportscards doing a box break today of the new UFC Round 4, I think they're calling it, or something similar. We've got a fresh case in. We're going to see what we've got out of a box. We're looking for 2 autographs and 2 memorabilia cards per box. So what are some of the things we should be looking for out here? We got Brock Lesnar autos, right?
Brock Lesnar, John Jones, GSP.
And they got book cards for the first time, right?
Yeah. So base cards. Some of the, looks like one of the poster inserts. A thicker insert parallel. There's a couple more base cards.
And so the thick ones are decoys to thwart the pack searchers, probably, right?
Probably.
And I think, if I'm not mistaken, isn't the poster cards, aren't those through several different brands? Are they a continuation of a set that's already been going?
I believe so, since they've had poster cards from before. This is UFC Fight Night 14, Silva versus Irvin.
Okay.
So here's a Bloodlines card. And I got my first relic.
Yoda Machida.
Ben Saunders fight mat.
Now, are these insert cards, are they numbered in any way?
This one's not numbered, but I believe there are parallel versions that are numbered.
Okay.
And obviously there was no decoy card in that pack. Another insert.
Is that ring girls or something?
Looks like the Japanese Pride.
Pride ring girls. I might have to scan that one.
So looks like I got my first auto. I'm not going to be able to pronounce his name.
Amir Sadala from the Tough House, I think.
And there's a UFC game insert.
Hold it up so we can see it.
And this is Rashad Evans.
Okay.
Bloodlines. Fight poster. And Lesnar UFC 2010 card.
Okay. Try and hold it myself. It looks like it's from the video game.
Yeah. They've had that insert before where it's from the video game.
So this is what, an 18-pack box?
16, I
16?
believe.
And you're getting 8 cards per pack?
Yes, 8 cards per pack. Another Pride and Glory, Mark Coleman. Another poster card. Looks like this year they have different, I guess, celebrities or people that work in the ring.
There's the cut man, yep. Okay.
And Joe Rogan and the announcers.
Yep. From Fear Factor and News Radio fame.
Yep. Chuck Liddell Octagon of Honor. I believe that's the first one I pulled.
I can't see his face with your finger, and hold it by the sides like this.
Oh, sorry.
There you go. Thank you.
So, looking for at least one more auto and one more relic in this box.
Guess we got UFC 119 coming up this weekend, right?
I believe so.
Check your pay-per-view schedule. Any idea how many cards make up the set?
Nope. So I got my next auto, Mike Swick.
Okay.
And I got an Octagon of Honor, but it looks like it's been damaged. You can see it's been creased and torn.
Yeah, that's pretty rough.
And it looks like I got a numbered insert decoy. This is out of 188, and it's Relic Couture.
Cool, it's a good one to get.
And you can tell it's insert because it has the silver lettering rather than the gold. Looks like I got my last relic. It's
Ken Flo Florian.
Relic card.
And he looks like he's punching Clay Guida right in the head.
Isn't Clay one of your favorites there?
He's a unique individual, that Clay.
And my last pack ends up with a Chuck Liddell, another game card.
Okay.
And that was about it.
That's it. Alright, so we got 2 relics, 2 autos, parallel decoy, and a bunch of inserts. Thanks for watching.